Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both databases exist and have clear key properties. Once done, open the source database and add a relation property. Select the target database as the linked table. Name that relation so you'll remember its purpose, and make sure to enable the reciprocal link when Notion asks. This creates the two-way connection automatically. Then, click a row in source and use the relation field to add an entry from target. That first link demonstrates the connection and creates the underlying relation records. Once relations exist, add rollup properties to pull specific fields from linked records. Choose the relation, select a property in the target DB, and pick a calculation like show original, count, min, or max. Make sure to configure filters and views so each database shows only relevant linked items. This keeps your workspace readable. Also change how the relation displays inline, list, or card depending on your workflow. Finally, test changes by editing a linked target value and confirming the rollup updates in source. To finish, systematically test by creating a few real links and editing fields to verify rollups and filters respond. Make sure team members have at least view access. Permissions often block visibility and cause confusion. If linked items don't show, confirm the property type is relation and not a text field. If necessary, remove and recreate the relation cleanly. One key troubleshooting tip: if data seems stale, toggle the relation or reopen the page to force Notion to refresh. This resolves most sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.